Check this out, baby girl. Why don't you check out a name?
Man, I go to work, true winner. Jeans skinny, like Squidward. Looking for your girl, just missed it. Then my cat daddy and I took it down. Timber, wrist cold, mama call it winner. Swisher full of daddy call it dinner. Baby got ass, Shelty call it thinner. UPS Jackson, Gilly we deliver. Cat daddy when I dug it, cat daddy when I remember.
Back with Skinny's day for Regis, I remember.
Competition see the crease, they surrender. Smoking Wyclef Kush, now I'm going to the river. Move your arms like you wheelchair stuck. Drop low, grab your shoulder like Tip Power 106 to bang this. Big up to my bro Sam, he the king of this shit. Call me SpongeBob, back and Krabby Patty. Check go to work, do my cat daddy. Call me SpongeBob, back and Krabby Patty. Check go to work, do my cat daddy. Check go to work.
You're too short, I'm too long. I'm in the club all black
On Akon.
like headlights. I'm too on. Do my cat daddy going next?
Akon.
I'm a motherfucker for this. When it comes to the yard, I'm the coolest kid. I'm in my prime barbecue rib, and it smells like pubes all around my dick. I'm like a hater, like a goalie. Pockets guacamole. Checks in the back at your neck like a rollie. Lady with your chick, she ate the cat daddy loaded. So I leave a junkie fever, I'm like, oh, she's Chloe. Yeah, I'm cracking like a newborn rooster. Take the chick in the mall, yeah, we call that boosting. Don't get mad, it's your chick, she choosing. Cat daddy haters screaming, what the fuck?